Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique and
So today we just going to show how to print in Google Docs. You just need to click on the file option here. Then you just need to click on the print option here on the down, or you can use the Control P option for keyboard shortcut. So click on the print option here. Now you just choose the destination of your printer. You can also click on the see more. If you don't find this, you just select the printer, or you can search here also. After selecting the printer, you just need to select the pages. You can also choose the custom pages, for an example 1 to 5, or picking some random pages like 8, 9, whatever that you want, or you can also print all pages. Then you can choose the color. If you need a black and white printing, then choose black and white. If you need a color printer, you just click color and click on the more setting option here. So you can adjust the paper size of your printing size. You can also choose A3, A4 or A5, or you can also make some other options for your paper size. So then you can choose the paper per sheet. If you need a two like this, it has a preview for 16, 6 or 16 up to 16. You can adjust the pages, and 16 pages will be on a single sheet, or 9 pages on a single sheet, like that. And you can also untick or tick the header. You can see the date, time, and all the some other document details. And you can also choose the background graphics, whatever, and just click on the print option here. You will be having the printing done now. So try this on Google Docs now.